Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 14 October Tuesday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 6, number 11, number 17, number 31, number 34. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 6, number 11, number 17, number 31, number 34. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 17, number 19, number 27, number 38, number 43, number 47. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 17, number 19, number 27, number 38, number 43, number 47. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers. Number 28, and number 32, and number 38, number 41. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 18, number 32, number 38, number 41. Please like my video. Now tea time prediction for 14 October Tuesday 2025. Tea time single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 3, number 16, number 17, number 27, number 32. Now tea time single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 3, number 16, number 17, number 27, number 32. Today time second prediction numbers. Number 22, number 26, number 31, number 37, number 42, number 43. Today time second prediction number repeat. Number 22, number 26, number 31, number 42, number 43. Now tea time booster ball numbers. Number 28, number 34, number 39, number 47. Today time bonus ball number repeat. Number 28, number 34, number 39, number 43. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.